like this. This is a call, this is a happening. That's why I directed this film. This is more of a children-friendly film. That means it's not a children's film. We crafted this film with love, both for children and for adults. It can enhance your thoughts. It can enhance your vision, the child in you, the child in adult also. So we need a big paraphernalia to create such a beautiful film. Like you said, we have the best cameraman in India, Santosh Shivan, and of course my friend, Mr. Rajiv Kumar, who worked in the first 3D film, Chota Seitan. It's known as Chota Seitan. We call it as My Dear Puttichadu. And our art director and our music director, when he joined, he was only 13 years old, Lydian Nasuna. He's a prodigy. So why I picked him? Because he is not polluted with music. He has got a beautiful innocence. So that created the beautiful songs in this film. And we have shot this film considering the music. Even the shots we have settled in like that. Considering the music, we planned the shots. And the re-recording, the sound is a major important factor in this film. I'm not talking about much of Beros because the film is going to speak to you.